Hello friends, welcome to Tech HD. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. So let's start the video. So first of all we need to make an installation media. So we need to go to Google Chrome. We need to download our software Rufus. I will give the link of Rufus in the description box. So I need to download it from here. So after downloading it, I will keep it in my desktop. So now we need the ISO file, Windows 11 ISO file. So we need to go to Microsoft, or we can search it on Google and we'll get the Microsoft website. We need to go there. So from here we need to download the installer, ISO file installer. After downloading it, we have to install it. From here we'll get the ISO file. So now we have to accept it and we have to wait for some time. So from here we need to select Windows language and Windows 11 ISO file. Now we have to tick it and we have to click next. So from here we need to select ISO file, the second one. Then we need to click next. Now from here we have to give the location where we want to save the ISO file. So I will make a folder on desktop, name Windows 11 ISO file, and then I will give the location and it will save it on Windows 11 ISO file on my desktop. So the download will start. Now the download has started, so we have to wait until the download ends. So let's wait for some time to end the download. So here we have finished our ISO file download. So now we have to insert a pen drive to install the installation media on the pen drive. So we have to insert a pen drive. So the pen drive has connected to the PC. So we have to open Rufus. Now here you can see the pen drive has connected. Now we have to select the ISO file. So we have to give the location and we have to select the ISO file. Now we have to give a file format, whether it will be GPT or MBR. So we'll keep GPT here. We can also name the pen drive as Windows 11. So now we have to start. We have to click OK here and also OK here. Now it is creating the file in my pen drive, Windows 11 installation media. So we have to wait for some times for finishing this process. So we are almost done here. It is creating the file in my pen drive. So the process has been finished. The installation files has been created in my pen drive. Now we can use it on any laptop or PC to install Windows 11. So here you can see the installation file has been created. Now we'll see how we can install it on laptop or PC. So let's go. So this is the pen drive where we install our installation media of Windows 11. So we'll connect it with this laptop and we'll install Windows 11 in this laptop. So let's connect it, and then we need to turn on the power button and we need to press F9. The boot key of HP laptop is F9, so we have to press it F9. So see, we have got the boot key and we have entered the laptop installation. So we have to select the pen drive and we have to click enter here. Now the process will start to install the Windows 11 in this laptop. So see, we have to click next here. Now you have to install now. So it will start. Now you have to select, we don't have the product key. Then we have to select which version of Windows 11 we want to install in our device. So we will install Windows 11 Pro here. We'll give next. Now you have to accept the license. Then we have to give next. Now we have to select custom installation. Now you have to select the partition. So we will delete the previous partition and we'll create a new partition here. After selecting, we have to click next. So the install has been started. So we need to wait for some time. So now it will take a restart. So we have to wait for this. So see, it is restarting the PC or laptop. So it is restarting the laptop. We have to wait. So the laptop has restarted again. So we have to wait for some time. So we have installed Windows 11 in our PC. Now we have to finish it up. Here we need to rename our PC or give a name. So I will give admin user here. You can give any name you want. I'll give next. Now I will not give any password here. We'll give next. So it will take some time, then it will open the Windows 11. So you can see we have successfully installed Windows 11 in this laptop. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more video. Thank you.